Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. Super happy to see everyone here. Happy Louis Vuitton Day guys, and you know what that means. I'm going to share to you the latest Louis Vuitton collection. I'm going to provide you all the information that you need to know. Yes, from names, prices, product codes, SKU, and launch dates. All you need to do is just kindly ready your phones and laptop to take a screenshot. And for pre-orders and availability, kindly check the website and your CAs. So guys, I'm inviting you to watch until the end of our episode, and happy shopping! Hi guys, Ron here, Looking Budgetarian Fashionista. I publish vlog every Wednesdays and Saturdays about lates, about fashion. I do luxury shopping vlogs, hauls, and unboxings. I also do bag reviews and provide styling tips. I'm inviting you all to please join our ever-growing fam. There's a cute little icon over here. So please click on this one so you can easily subscribe and be a member of our growing luxury addicted family. Please help me reach 6,000 subbies. Also, kindly like, share, comment on this video, and follow me on my new Instagram account. That's at Ramiro52 for daily updates and styling tips coming from me. So guys, we are going to discuss Louis Vuitton's latest beauty collection. So first, we have the lipstick and lip balm. So please take note that the price of this one is 160 USD. We don't have the SKU, so here are the close-up photos of the lipstick. So the collection includes 55 lipstick at 160, 10 lip balms at 160 USD, and of course 8 eyeshadow palette. For the eyeshadow palette, the price is 250 USD. So this is how it looked like, part of the La Beaute Louis Vuitton collection. So it includes 8 eyeshadow palettes that is priced at 250 USD. So what do you think of this one? I love, of course, the neutral shades, but then again guys, for me the price is a little bit out there at 250 for 4 eye palettes. Then guys, we have the lipstick pouch. We don't have the price, but we do have the SKU here. The material is monogram canvas with cowhide leather trims. It comes with gold chain hardware. So guys, alternative of this one definitely is the original key clay. So the dimension is here 6 cm by 3.3 cm by 11 centimeters. So you would have an idea how small it is. Of course, it would come in the epi leather material, so it would come in different colorways such as the monogram rouge, we have the rouge Louise, then of course we have the tender bliss. So please take note guys, different colors, different shade comes in different SKU. For the prices, please do stand by. So again, when purchasing this one, the lipstick doesn't come with, plus you could only insert one lipstick, just like with this lipstick trunk. So price of this one is 2,990 USD. Wow! So materials monogram canvas with cowhide leather trims. It would come with mirror inside with gold hardware. Size dimension is 4.5 by 4.8 by 9 centimeters. So what do you think of the lipstick trunk? Then of course guys, the next is the Nice Beauty. We don't have the price yet, so this is like a vanity, a slim vanity for your lipstick. If you are going to purchase, you could house 5 of your Louis Vuitton lipstick. Dimension 11.5 by 3.5 by 13.5 centimeters. Hi guys, thank you for watching today's episode. Just a quick shout out for today's sponsors. Guys, you can now custom order your Zumoni bag organizers, bag accessories such as pouches, dust bags, and many more. And best part is you can now get 20% discount using my discount or coupon code Ramiro5. What I love having a Zumoni bag organizer is I customize to the way I like it. I chose a base material, collar, I added interior pocket, zipper, D-ring, and I added a base shaper to keep the structure of my luxury bags. Head on over now guys to Zumoni.com and order and customize your very own bag accessories. Thank you to Zumoni.com for sponsoring this part of this video, and now back to our vlog. Thank you guys! Then next on the collection, so still Nice Beauty Vanity. So guys, we could see here we have different SKU for different colorways. So we have one for the monogram rouge, one for the monogram Louise, which is the red, and of course we have the tender bliss, which is like a ballerine pink colorway. The material of this vanity is epi leather with cowhide leather trims. It could fit 5 lipstick at the same time. Then guys, we have the lip and eye brush set. So this one, we have SKU here, materials monogram canvas with cowhide leather trims. I'm just happy that the interior is a washable coated canvas. So of course, if you're going to purchase this one, the 5 brushes comes with, and it would have mirror as well. Next guys, so we have the oil control film and also the case. We have the SKU here. So this is the interior. Material is monogram canvas with cowhide leather trims. So oil control film is included plus the mirror inside. Dimension is 9.5 by 2 by 6.5 centimeters. It would come with cowhide leather lining as well, and it comes with a card slot at the back. Then guys, if you are wanting a lip collection trunk, then here you go. So we don't have the price yet, but we have the SKU. Material is monogram canvas with cowhide leather trims with gold hardware and trims, and we could see here that it comes with the lipstick display shelves and mirror on the inside. So we have next is the makeup station trunk. For the makeup station trunk, again, no price. This would be price available upon request, so kindly check with your CAs, but we have the SKU here. So if you are on the go and you want a Louis Vuitton makeup trunk with you, then definitely you need to check this one out, and please check with your CAs. Alright, so now guys, the question is, how do I feel about Louis Vuitton's beauty collection? So guys, please take note, these are just my opinion. So first we have, of course, the Louis Vuitton lipstick and lip balm. So here is the price comparison against other brands. So first we have Dior at $48. We have Chanel at $50, then Tom Ford at $62. We have Hermes at $81, and of course Louis Vuitton's staggering price of $160 for both lipstick and lip balm. Honestly, I am also a user of luxury lipstick, and the price guys for me is outrageous and a little bit exaggerated, as you can see here, because comparing to the other brands, even Hermes, who is selling their beauty makeup a little bit more expensive compared to the others, but LV prices are over the top. So maybe they're doing a little bit of different composition perhaps with the formulation of the lipstick, but I think at the end of the day, if you feel that the formula of the lipstick works for you, then buy it. But then if not, then be open with other brands, just like with what I'm currently doing as well. Same with the eyeshadow palette. The price of this one is $250. So I'm not really sure what is Louis Vuitton's game plan, because as we know with all of the reports regarding their sales, they are not doing good with sales when it comes to, of course, their luxury bags and goods. So I'm not really sure why they are wanting to even raise the prices for this new collection. Then of course these guys, the lipstick pouches, I'm totally not happy. Yes, they are very cute, but I'm guessing the prices of this one could be the same price or even much more expensive than the Louis Vuitton Keyclay. That is why at the earlier part of the vlog, I've noted the alternative of this one. Instead of purchasing this, maybe if the Louis Vuitton monogram Keyclay is much more affordable, then purchase that one. Same with this, the Louis Vuitton lipstick vanity. So as you can see, if you're going to purchase, you could only place 5 lipstick in one, and of course this is very thin. So of course if you have the cash to burn, then go ahead purchase this one, but my recommendation, just purchase the regular Nice Nano or even the Nice Mini, because I feel especially the Nice Mini, you would be able to put a lot more makeup compared to the slim vanity bag. Then of course last but not the least, the Louis Vuitton lipstick trunk. Guys, how crazy and outrageous this price, $2,990, and I'm sure tax doesn't come with, and of course the lipstick doesn't come with. So for me, it is definitely a no. So what do you think? Kindly comment down below. Did you enjoy our episode for today? So guys, among the bag selection that I have showcased for today, which ones are your favorite? Kindly comment down below. And if you have stayed until this part of this episode, kindly leave me a credit card emoji. I would really appreciate it. Thank you. Before we end our episode for today, I'm inviting you all to please join our ever-growing fam. There's a cute little icon over here. So please click on this one so you can easily subscribe and be a member of our growing luxury addicted family. Please help me reach 6,000 subbies. Also, kindly like, share, comment on this video, and follow me on my new Instagram account, that's at Ramiro52, for daily updates and styling tips coming from me. A million thank you for staying with me in today's episode. I'm going to leave a couple of videos here for you to check out. Please stay safe. I'm going to see each and every one of you soon. Bye!